Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add Superscript in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, type the text that you want. Double click on the cell to get the text. Select the text that you want to be subscript. From Home tab, in first section, click on this little arrow. This window will appear. In Effects, here we have three options. Tick Superscript, and then OK. Here we have one more way. Type the text again. Select the text. Right-click. Format cells. This dialog box will open. Mark Superscript. Press OK. We have done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.